Hello, children. How are you all doing?
Hello friends, how are you all doing?
In our last video, we reviewed the lesson Too Big, Too Small. In this video, we'll go through some of the questions given at the end of the chapter. Hope you also can go through the exercise and try to answer along with us. Before we start, Vishwa, can you please tell me what this story is about? Just tell me in brief, okay?
Sure, Dad. This story is about a little girl named Shanu. She wanted to help her family, but her parents and grandparents say either you are too big or too small. So she is puzzled and wonders what are the things she can do. Then her family tells her that she is too big enough to go to school and take her dadu for morning walks. She is small enough for Abu to carry her on his shoulders and her daddy to tell stories too. They all say you are always the perfect size for this and give her a big, warm, wonderful hug.
Very good, Vishwa. What was the best part of the story? Can you think of anything?
Best part of the story is that her family loves her and gives her a warm, wonderful hug. I love it.
Excellent, Vishwa. So, would you like to go through the exercise and help me with providing your answers?
Yes, I am ready, Dad.
Good, Vishwa. Let's get started then.
Hi, my name is Vishakash. Today I'm gonna read the new words and their meanings. Wonders. Things about what the answer is. Perfect. The best. Warm. Friendly. Hug. When we put our arms around someone and hold them to show that we love them or care about them. Now understanding the story. Complete these sentences with too big or too small. Shanu is too big to sleep in the baby's cot, too small to walk to school alone, too small to carry the baby, too small to make dosa at the stove, too big to wear her old pink frock, too big to climb up on Dadu's back. Now coming to question and answers. Why is Shanu puzzled? Because she doesn't know if she is too big or too small. Name any three things that Shanu is the right size for. Shanu is the right size for Abu to carry her on his shoulders, Dadi to tell her stories too, and to go for morning walks with Dadu. You will always be the perfect size for this, they all say. Who are they? They are the family of Shanu. What will Shanu always be the perfect size for? Shanu always be the perfect size for a hug. How do you think this makes Shanu feel? This makes Shanu feel happy.
That was good, Vishwa. You have done a great job. Children, we will see you again in our next video. Until then, happy reading.
Thank you. Have a nice day.